Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In tonight's video, I want to show you how you can easily get your 1 million hamster coins for today using the Morse code. So all you need to do is to click the Emper tab section, the daily cipher section, and here we go. So remember that Morse code works in dots and in dashes. And to get a dot, you tap. To get a dash, you press hold and release. Just dot and press hold, release a dash. So let's get our first letter for today. The first letter is a dot and a dash. A dot and a dash. We get our first letter. The next letter is L. L has a dot, a dash, a dot, and a dot. We have L. Please do like and subscribe to our video so YouTube can show our videos to more people that need to find it. Thank you. And the last word or letter is T, and T has just a dash. Alright, so we've cracked the code and we take the prize. See you in the next video, guys. Bye.